This is your first time working on a mystery series. So, parang ano na lang yung napapa-question ka ba sa character mo as the story progresses?
I think definitely yes. Kasi una pa lang na bigay sa akin po yung character ko. They already made it clear kung sino si Yana. And at the same time, kung ano yung possible yung maging motive. So I think that's just so interesting. Kasi like tulad nga mention ni Derek, I feel like out of all of us four, yung character ko is, the most gentle, the most fragile, the most feminine. Yung talagang hindi mo maiisip na kayang gumawa ng ganong klaseng crime. So it's just so exciting to explore kung ano ang mangyayari sa character ko once nabigyan ng isang malaking problema and kung paano i-handle ng isang babae na palaging na-assume ng mga tao na kailangan ng tulong, hindi kaya ang sarili, kung paano niya paglalaban ng sarili niya. So it's so interesting then to see how the story is unfolding and how it's beautifully written, of course, and how it's beautifully being created. Kung paano din nag-grow yung character ko throughout the journey of finding the real killer.